Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to export your UPBASE data. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your UPBASE account. This is the initial step to access your data. It's crucial because you can't export data without first having access to it. Now that we've done that, click on the Settings tab, which is usually located on the top right corner of your dashboard. The reason we do this is to navigate to the area of the platform where you can manage crucial operations such as data exportation. Next up, select Data Management from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to a new page where all data-related functionalities are housed. This helps us because it's the part of the platform where you can access your data to export it. Once you're in Data Management, look for the Export Data button. It's usually towards the bottom of the page. Click on it to initiate the export process. Let me explain why this matters. This is the actual command that tells UPBASE you want to download your data. You will then be prompted to select the data you want to export. Be sure to choose carefully, as this step determines exactly what data you'll receive. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is preparing to package the data you've selected into a downloadable file. Finally, click Export. UPBASE will now compile your data and prepare it for download. This could take a few moments, depending on the size of your data. Once the file is ready, it will be downloaded to your device. And voila! You've successfully exported your UPBASE data. This process is incredibly useful for backing up your data, migrating to a new platform, or even analyzing your data offline. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, managing your data effectively is a critical aspect of your business's success. Until next time, keep making the most of your UPBASE account.